Bro, look at me, I'm a mess. Cut my face while I was shaving. It looks pretty bad on camera. Clothes don't even match, but it's all good. You know why? Because you gotta change the way you see, not the way you look.
Hello, mystery girl, looks like you're out of the mood. Looks like you've been hurt bad, I can see you feeling blue. Tell me what happened, I just broke up with my ex-boo. Take a walk with me, girl, let's just talk about me and you. Hello, mystery girl, looks like you're out of the mood.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is another beautiful day in Hawaii. It is around 3:15. The sun is out. The heat is mean, raging heat. Not too bad. There's a little breeze. It's keeping us cool. As you can see, we are walking through a lava field of death. But yeah, we're doing a little hike to a spot that we call Lone Palm, or at least I think that's what the name is. It is a beautiful day, so perfect time. We decided to skip happy hour to come out here, so get out here. There's the Lone Palm. How lonely.
All by myself. All by himself.
There's Kohala Mountain up there. This trail right here is called King's Trail. I don't know too much about it. I think it's the Hawaiians used to walk through back in the day. Could be wrong. Don't quote me on it. Look how rugged and jagged these rocks are. Yeah, you don't want to walk out here with no slippers or shoes. You walk out here barefoot, you're a legend. Ooh, pretty mountain. And of course, like last week, I decided not to use shoes again. All good, because we all decided to not use shoes. Slippers, boy.
Flip-flops.
Flip-flops and slippers. Yeah. I seen a video on YouTube saying that they're calling flip-flops by the name of their sound. They should be called pack-packs, not flip-flops, okay? I heard it on a video and I forgot who it was. Some Filipino guy, I think. Pack-packs. So this beach is pretty much in the middle of nowhere and you have to walk through this lava rock path. The hike is not that bad at all, actually. It's pretty easy. If I can do it in slippers, then anybody should be able to walk through this path. I just can't get enough how beautiful Hawaii is. Mean. Boy, for breakfast. Gee. They look hot as crap. Oh yeah, that's hot. Holy crap, the sand is definitely hot. Yeah, we made it. Finally, we made it. It's a beautiful day. I want to jump in. I'm definitely jumping in. The Lone Palm. And Maui in the back. Pretty sick. Nice day. Yeah, the sand is not the typical sand. It's pretty coarse, thick. Nice. Next time we come, we should bring our poles. There's people in the water. Nice day. So we made it to the beach, but we didn't know where to go. We could go all the way over there, get some shade, or we could use the trunk of that Lone Palm as shade over there instead. No, why not? Yeah, let's go that way then. We have made our decision. We're going to the left side of the beach. There's a lot of people there, but it's all good. It's the shade. Bro, look at me, I'm a mess. Cut my face while I was shaving. It looks pretty bad on camera. Clothes don't even match, but it's all good. You know why? Because you gotta change the way you see, not the way you look.
Hello, mystery girl, it looks like you're out of the mood. Matter of fact, here's some lovely sweet bouquet flowers for you. And you're thinking in your head, this is nice, this is new. And you're wondering how the fuck you came out of the blue. Hello, mystery girl, it looks like you're out of the mood. Matter of fact, here's some lovely sweet bouquet flowers for you.
We gotta walk pretty far, I think, to get some shade. There's people over there. I don't wanna like invade their shade. Yeah, you guys, you gotta get a little wet. We did a good amount of hiking. I think we found our spot pretty soon. Maybe on those rocks. Well, on the tree. By the tree. That tree? Or that tree? Here, Raja. Yeah, I guess we found our spot right here, boy. And girl. Yeah, look how nice it is here. Hee-hee, Kohala Mountain. Yeah, you can see Maui a little bit right there. Right in the middle. Mean. So this type of rock, or lava rock, I think, is called pohoihoi. It is much smoother, and if I'm not mistaken, it is much newer than the type rock. The rock or the type of lava rock is the ones that we seen in the beginning. Might have been, I could be wrong, it could be the other way around. I am not too sure.
Look at this lava rock is hot.
Is it hot? Warm? I'm gonna fly the drone, guaranteed. Jump in the water too. Enjoy this beautiful day. It's hot. There's barely any wind right where we are. All good. Still sand. I had to take off my slippers for this, but it is warm. The rock is hot. Oh, it feels nice. If you are naming your slippers over the sound, then it should not be flip-flops, it should be pack-pack. And if it is wet, it should be known as quack-quacks. I think it's about time to jump in. Okie dokie, time to say goodbye. Until next time, a hui ho. So it's around 5:30 right now. I think it's about an hour and a half or an hour until golden hour. So I think we should start walking back. Alright guys, that is the vlog. Thank you again for watching another episode of Dremix Vlogs. Right on. If you guys like what you've seen, leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you think I should do something different. Let me know. It'd be pretty cool. Stay tuned for our next vlog next week Monday. I will be dropping weekly vlogs again. Just a reminder. Right on. Aloha, mahalo for watching and shoot!